How to make your work experience private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your work experience private on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down and click settings and privacy and then click settings, and now go down and click this one, profile information, and here all you need to do just click this pen and click edit workplace, and now all you need to do just click this one, public, and then click only me, or if you want just your friends, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and see you in the next video.